welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic approved used Volkswagen T-Roc. This is the 2-litre diesel R-Line DSG, finished in the absolutely stunning white silver metallic paint. You've got the sporty 19-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, and it's in a really nice condition. You've got the rear tinted windows as well, so it just gives that bit of privacy to anyone travelling in the rear. This car's covered just over 1,399 miles, so it is a low mileage car for the age. And inside you can see we've got a really generously sized boot, so you definitely shouldn't be struggling too much for any room with this car. So I'll open up the back so I can show you the space in the rear. So you've got the lovely grey carbon flag cloth with the Art Velour side bolsters. There's plenty of space in the back as well, so it'd be perfect as a family car. And you've got all your R-Line badging as well. So I'll get in and I can show you the features on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You've got your navigation system built in. It's really clear and easy to use, and it's a really good size screen as well. You have got the digital cockpit, so you can flip the display, so it's just a bit more in your primary field of vision. You've got your app connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you have. And you've also got your DAB radio for all your music. Another great feature is the driver mode selection, so you can change the mode depending on how you want the car to feel while you're driving. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting in and out of those tricky spaces. Underneath you've got your 2-zone climate control. You've got the front heated seats as well, so it's perfect in the chilly winter mornings. This car is automatic, and you've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold here as well. You've got the lovely glossy grey insert on the dash and the door, and it just breaks it up a little bit and gives it a really nice look. I'll give you a close-up of the cloth. You've got the R-Line emboss on there as well, and the seats are all in a lovely condition. There's no marks or any of the fabric. On your steering wheel, you have got adaptive cruise control with lane assist and front assist, so it's perfect for motorway drives. You've got automatic headlights as well, and you've got electrically folding and heated mirrors too. So we really hope you like the car. If you are interested or you have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.